It gives me immense pleasure to introduce this young and diversely talented group of optometrists to the national and global experts in the field of vision science research. They will be discussing about their research projects during the final year of their undergraduate study. They are currently undergraduate students pursuing their bachelor's of degree at Institute of Medicine, Tribhuvan University, Nepal. I would also like to encourage our expert panels to share their constructive comments regarding the topic with the presenters so that they can further better their research and pursue their career in the vision science. Without further, I would like to formally begin the session. So shall I begin the session, Kapil?
Yes, please, sir. Just ask the Subedi and then can start here.
Are our participants ready? Okay, let's begin. They are here. So, without further ado, I'd like to formally begin the session. First of all, I'd like to introduce Ms. Asta Subedi. She is going to have discussion on topic comparison of high order aberration with different refractive errors in school-age children. Hello, Ms. Subedi, are you here with us? Ms. Subedi, are you here with us?
Hello, everyone.
Can you hear us? Hello.
Yes.
Warm welcome to our
Yes,
virtual
I'm
conference. We're looking forward to hearing from you. The podium is all yours now. You can present.
The topic of my here it goes. The topic of my project is the effect of cycloplasia on high order aberrations. The aim of my study is to compare the corneal high order aberrations in school age children before and after cycloplasia. The methods and variables are: it is a hospital-based and cross-sectional study. 75 eyes were enrolled, and different components of corneal high-order aberrations were measured using Bone-Cirrus corneal topography machine. And in this study, we have done cycloplasia before and after, and the readings and the different components of corneal high-order aberrations were recorded before and after cycloplasia. And the cyclopentolate and the cycloplegic drops were cyclopentolate 1% and tropicamide 1%. First of all, cyclopentolate 1% followed by 1% tropicamide, and again cyclopentolate 1%. And this is the instrument which I have used during the project. And it is Bone-Cirrus corneal topography machine, and this is the format of the readings. The results: comparison of high order aberrations before and after cycloplasia in different accommodative state, pre and post cycloplasia, the effect of cycloplasia in high order aberrations, keeping pupil size constant. I have recorded two pupil size, that is 6 mm and 8 mm. In 6 mm pupil size, different components such as optical path difference, root mean square, total high order aberrations, root mean square, coma, root mean square, spherical aberration, root mean square, likewise T-foil root mean square, quadrifoil root mean square, and secondary astigmatism root mean square, likewise point speed functions, which is measured in terms of Strell's ratio. Now, and different these high order aberrations were recorded before and after cycloplasia, and the mean and standard deviations were noted down. There was no any statistically significant difference in before and after cycloplagic results. I have used peer t-test and Wilcoxon sign rank test according to the category of parametric and non-parametric group. Likewise, in 8 mm people also, there was no any statistically significant difference in before and after cycloplasia, that is in normal accommodative state and in cycloplagic state in any of the high order aberrations components. and the results were there was no any statistically significant peer differences, p-value greater than 0.05 between any components of high order aberrations in different accommodative state, that is before and after cycloplasia in fixed 6 mm as well as 8 mm pupil size. The conclusion of my study is there is no significant effect of accommodation in corneal high order aberrations. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Swedi. It was a wonderful presentation. As you have stated that there is no effect of accommodation in higher derivation, that is indeed an insightful finding for us. That would be useful for us in the clinical practice as well. Thank you for presenting your research findings with us. Thank you again.